Okay, this next one, yes, this next one is from,
Mama.
Hudson.
Mama.
I don't know what to say except you're extraordinary. Yes, you are an extraordinary dog whose daddy just adores you. But yes, you're great big books and has become a huge fan of Gman. Okay, so we are going to see what Hudson, the railroad puppy, sent Garrett. Uh-oh. I wonder, did he send you his cat? Do you think he sent his... Ow, no, don't claw me like a kitty cat. Do you think he... Did Hudson send you the cat? Okay, well, open it up. Let's see if he sent you the cat. Is it on the board? Did you draw a monster? Oh, it's the cat? You drew a cat on the wall? Oh, there's a cat up there? Oh, no, I'm scared. There's a cat in the envelope and a cat up on your wall, huh? Way up there? What? Oh, no. There's a cow on the wall! And there's a lion and a monkey and an oink, oink, oink. Oh, they're in there too? Well, let's see. Let's see what's in the envelope. Open it up. Come on, show me what's inside. Come on. Open it up and I'll touch it. And I'll find out what's inside. I think you got the little... Nuh-uh, don't do that. You don't know what's inside. There might be a kitty cat inside. I know they taped it. Okay, come on. Let's see what's inside. Careful. Come on. Okay, come on, you can do it. Come on. Okay. Good job, buddy. Okay, let's see what's in there. Let's see. Oh. It stuck to my finger. Ow! What? Here, I got it. Okay, well, come on, let's see if you can get some more. Okay, come on. Okay, careful, don't rip the note. What's inside? Let me see. Oh, careful, there's a note inside. So don't tear the note. Okay, come on. No, let's see. Open it up. You need help with the tape? Oh, kitty cat. Or is it a moo cow? Did Hudson send us a moo cow? A lion? A monster? He sent us a monster? You really think Hudson would send us a monster? No. He's silly. What? Okay.
Come on.
Let's see. Okay. Here, I got the letter, baby. Oh, how cool. It's a keychain that looks like a ticket. What? Did you get more tape?
Come on.
What? Oh, No, I don't want you to be quiet, you goose. Hold on. Okay. Dear Garrett, me and my... Hold on. Me and my daddy read your story and we wanted to write you. Daddy also sends a keychain for you. I hope you already don't have one like this. Actually, we don't. I am a 1-year-old blue-nosed pit bull. I was found as a baby via railroad tracks in Albany, New York. The Wolfie Railroad workers scooped me up along with my sister and they take us to this wonderful place called Mohawk Hudson Humane Society, where they took care of us. I had a hurt paw that needed to be fixed, so the Wolfie doctor named Dr. Bowersox worked on me and thought I was a good pup and I could benefit. You sure are making noise, Bubba, from a prosthetic paw. In my next letter, I will send you a picture so you can see it. This last December, I adopted my forever family. I had a daddy and mommy and a Wolfie dog sister named Sammy and 5 cute sisters. Comet, Lily, Gigi, Sunny, and I think it's Hiwacket. We all get along so good. I also go to school like you. No, you don't know. I love school. It's such woofy fun. Hopes you like school too. Well, he likes the homeschool, but not other. Yes, don't worry. Let's see here. I has to go and eat din din now, but I will write more next time. I am so woofy happy you is my friend. Have a wooftastic day. Wub and Wicks. Wait, sorry. Wub and Licks. Hudson, the railroad puppy. Woof! Look, and he even signed it with a paw. What? Yes. Can you tell Hudson and his family? Thank you. What? More? Yeah. Can you give big kisses? Can you give him big kisses? How do you do a doggy kiss? I don't... Ew, that was a doggy kiss. All right. Well, Hudson, thank you so much. And we know that I'm sure we're going to have letters from you. Thank you again. We'll be back on the next one, guys.